Okay guys, on 14th of January 2023, it's me Imad. So today you can see that this is my plant of echeveria pallida, or you can also call it as echeveria argentine or argentine. You can see some aphids on the tip of our echeveria pallida. Although they do not use to kill, but they can make your leaves a little bit wrinkled, okay? So it's better to wash them with a good shower, okay? Okay, now you can see that there is one offshoot coming out from one side, so we will try to cut it out. Now I tried it with the scissor, but it's not going to work, okay? We have to go for certain blade or knife. And in winter, we can see that our echeveria pallida is having a little bit yellow color, okay? Yellowish, or we can say pale green color. Now I have brought my knife. It is made up of pure iron, okay, and sharp as well. Okay, now I will cut it down. Okay, now, okay, with the help of this knife. Okay, now I have nearly, okay, now I have detached the cutting. Now you can see, now this is the point where the wound is. So we have to keep it in shade for several days, okay, several weeks, or not several weeks, okay, for several days to kill a sour and heal out. Okay, on 1st of February 2023 means that after 16 to 17 days, now our stem cutting is a bit healed, okay, but is also a little bit stressed due to loss of water, because I have kept it for 16 to 17 days in shade, so it's not good. Now we have to come towards our media, and I have added 50% sand and 50% simple construction sand, okay, and 50% simple garden soil. 50% sand and 50% simple garden soil. Now mix them so that they will get properly mixed and have uniform composition, okay. Now mix it out. Why it is so? Because we have added the sand, because sand is very good for drainage, okay, because there are a lot of rains in my area, which is actually the Mansehra district in the Himalayan region of Pakistan. So there are a lot of rains, okay. So now we have to add a lot of sand so that it will get drained as soon as the rain used to pour, okay. So okay, now it is also humid, so no need to water it out, okay. And now just immerse it a little bit, okay, and after it will get stabilized, okay. Now you also need to keep it in shade for several days. Okay, the sound is dubbed after all the 3 videos are made. So okay, on 4th of June 2023 means that after several months, okay, after several months. First, when round about like 15 to 20 days have been passed, I saw that this cutting is very like in bad condition. It is not so much good, okay, but after that it used to gain stature and all the strength, okay. Now still you can see that we have a very little roots even after like January, February, March, April, May, June. After 6 months we are not having a good root ball, okay, although on stem side there is a huge growth. Now you can see that apart from sand there is some garden soil, but still we can say that our stem cutting propagation has been successful. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.